Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Divalogue. Today's video is a vlog because I don't really know why. I'm not gonna do much today, but I still decided to vlog because I'm not filming anything today. So yeah, my nani is coming home today, so we're gonna make some Diwali sweets. So that's gonna be fun. And also currently it's around 12 o'clock and I just got ready for the day. I've done a little bit of no makeup look because I just felt like wearing makeup today. Also, we're gonna ignore my extremely oily hair. My hair is so oily right now, but I just didn't have the time to wash my hair, so I'm just gonna leave the way it is. And I hope you guys are enjoying Divalogues. It is really fun to create so much content. I feel super productive, but it is just getting so difficult to film and edit every single day. It is extremely difficult. Now there are just like 4 or 5 days left for Divalogue, and I'm gonna create amazing content in these days because Diwali is right around the corner. There's just like 4 days left for Diwali. I don't know when are you guys watching this video, but today is 10th of November and there are just 4 days left for Diwali, and I'm pretty excited. I thought that this year's Diwali is gonna be like more like a at-home Diwali, but finally like we all can go out and stuff. So yes, Diwali is gonna feel like a normal festival this year. So I'm very excited about that. And yes, I'm not really gonna do much today. I have to have dinner right now, lunch right now, and then I'm gonna go for grocery shopping. I have to buy a lot of groceries for the house, so I'm gonna go for grocery shopping. That's gonna take a while, and then I have to edit today's video, today's Divalogue. I do have a lot of work today, but it's also kind of a chill day because I'm not filming. Vlogging is still fine, but I'm not actually like filming a lot of YouTube videos today, so it's a rather chill day. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, we just came back home and on the way picked up our cousin as well, Kaya. Hi. So now my nani is home and we're gonna make some Diwali sweets, and after that I'm probably gonna edit today's Divalogue. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I just thought that I should do a little food haul with you guys. I realized that I've never ever done that, even though I shop so much when I go for grocery shopping. So I'm not gonna share like all the necessity things. I'm only gonna share all the yummy stuff that I got. So firstly, we stocked up on a lot of Maggi packets, like so much of Maggi. We were running out of them. Yeah, so we also got this like entire big pack of Maggi. So what else did I get? We got this Quadratini, which is in the flavor double chocolate. If you guys have never tried this, you should definitely try it. It is so delicious. These are like those wafer biscuits, not even biscuit, like they're these like wafer chocolates, and they're so yummy. You just cannot stop having this. We've already opened this and we already started having. I think I've tried the double chocolate one for the first time, but I guess all of the variants are really good. Double chocolate, milk chocolate, and then there's hazelnut also. Then we got some lavash sticks. We always like stock up on these wheat lavash sticks, and we got a few dips with these. So I have the 7-layer dip. If you guys can find this somewhere, just buy it because it's yummy. We always have dips with lavash sticks. These are so yum. They're like the yummiest snacks, and I don't think it's a very unhealthy snack also because those are wheat lavash sticks. And this dip has yogurt, beans, cheese, avocado, olives. Like it literally has 7 layers, and this is the most delicious dip. Then we also got a rich olive and jalapeno dip. This is something that my mom really likes having. I'm not a big fan of this dip. I just think it tastes like straight up curd, but my mom really loves this. So we got 2 of these dips, and then we got some herb toast. These are again something that we love having with soups. If we've ever made tomato soups or something, we love having these in stock, and also these taste yummy with those dips. Then what else we have? I also got this Maggi special masala packet. I guess I've tried this once when it launched, but after that I've never really tried it, so I completely forgot how it tastes. So I thought, why not get one and try it. I'm very sure that this is going to be extra spicy and I'm going to love it. I love spicy food, so I'm really going to love this. Then we have some cheese chili paper dosas. These are again like very light snacks and something we love stocking up on. Then I guess this is the last thing. We got these Max Protein cheese and jalapeno chips. I guess these are like chips. This is again a very healthy snack. If you like see all the ingredients that are listed behind, this is very healthy. So this is it for the food haul. I also got a lot of like necessity things like butter and mayonnaise. So I don't think you guys are interested in seeing that. But when it comes to all of the yummy snacks, this is all we got. And yes, I thought that I'll help my mom and Nani to make Diwali sweets. They're making naan khatai, by the way, which is one of my favorite sweets. I really love it. I thought that I'll help making them that, but by the time we came back home from the grocery shopping, they had already started making. Hi guys, I know I look like a homeless person right now, but please ignore the mess. So it's been a while since I vlogged. I think last I vlogged when I was showing you guys what all I shopped when I went for grocery shopping. So after that I fell asleep. I took a nap. I don't know how. I wanted to edit the video and I just fell asleep for a while and then woke up and edited today's video, today's Diva log. It's a pretty long video. So it's currently almost 7 p.m. and I have to I'm just like watching the entire video to see if there are any mistakes or not. So yes, I haven't really done much today. Also, a lot of my Amazon packages arrived today. I'm gonna film an Amazon haul tomorrow, which I'm pretty excited about because I never really shop like all in bulk. Like I never really shop like so many things ek sath. But this time I did. I wanted to do a nice haul also, so I'm pretty excited to shoot the haul tomorrow. Probably like I'm just waiting for one last package to arrive and then I'm gonna film a haul. It's been a couple of hours and I know that I haven't vlogged at all, but I was just really tired of like editing the video. Today's video was really long, so I just got really tired editing it and I just feel so low today. So I just didn't feel like vlogging, and so yeah, I just ended the day with like finishing all the editing stuff, and now I have to clean my room. It's a big mess. I cannot even show it to you guys. It's such a mess. So I have to clean my room right now. I was just deciding with my mom, like I have a lot of extra makeup, so we were just deciding कि कौन सा makeup किसको देना है and what I have to keep aside for giveaways and all. So yeah, I do take my mom's opinion because there can be some products that she might need. So we were just sitting together. I was showing all the products and all. So we got done with that. Now I'm probably just gonna do a little bit of skincare and get ready for bed and clean my room first. I'm back and I just finished cleaning my room and I just washed my face using the Kaya Brightening Beads Cleanser. This is an exfoliating cleanser, so it just removes all the dirt and grime from your skin. Now I'm gonna move on to my actual nighttime skincare routine. So this is not a fixed skincare routine. It's something that I just used some extra products here and there depending on how my skin is feeling on that day. So right now my skin is slightly damp, so I'm gonna use the Dot & Key Skin Plumping Moisture Infusion Water Steeping Mask. I've spoken about this product so many times and I really love using this during the night time. It has hyaluronic acid in it. You're not supposed to use a moisturizer after this, but my skin is just extra dry and lately it has been flaky dry. which is insane. My skin is so dry that I really need some intense hydration and moisturization, especially when I'm sleeping. So this is so hydrating, but my skin just drinks up all the hydration. Please ignore my crazy nails. I was just trying a couple of nail polishes and seeing which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to give away. So they look crazy like that. So I'm gonna move in with the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is intensely moisturizing. So I'm just gonna use this much, and I'm mostly gonna focus on my nose area because that's the area that gets extremely dry. That's it. That's all I do for my face. Now for my lips, I use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I constantly keep using this throughout the day. I love this so much. Even though it's extremely moisturizing, like you don't need to apply this every single time. But I am just like that. I love lip balms, and I just need something on my lips all the time. So I keep using this constantly throughout the day. So yeah, that's what I do for my nighttime skincare routine. Now I guess I'm just gonna go to bed because I am so tired today. I just feel really low today. So I'm just gonna sleep, and I also have to plan a couple of videos for tomorrow. I will be filming tomorrow's Diva log tomorrow itself. So yes, I have to plan a couple of videos. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know if you guys want to watch more vlogs. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!